Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to join Xbox Live on an Xbox 360 console. You will learn account creation, network setup, and gold membership steps. Prepare your console, a broadband connection, and an email address before starting. Sign in with an existing Microsoft account or create a new one on the console. Decide whether to subscribe to Xbox Live Gold for online multiplayer and discounts. You can also use a free Silver account for limited online features. Follow the next slides to set up your network and complete membership purchase. Power on your Xbox 360 and connect to your router with Ethernet. To use Wi-Fi, open System Settings and select Network Settings, then choose Wireless. Run the test Xbox Live connection to verify internet access and NAT type. If NAT is strict, enable UPnP or forward Xbox Live ports. Common Xbox Live ports include UDP88, UDP 3074, TCP 3074, and UDP 53. Install system updates when prompted for Xbox Live compatibility immediately. After tests pass, return to Dashboard and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Create a Microsoft account on computer or directly on the Xbox 360 console. Select Sign in and choose Create New Account to follow on-screen prompts. Verify your email and add billing information if purchasing Xbox Live Gold membership. Gift cards or prepaid codes can redeem under Account Management, then Redeem Code. If sign-in fails, confirm correct password and reset it using the Microsoft Recovery. Follow on-screen steps for network error codes to resolve issues. Contact Xbox support with console serial, error code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.